Okay, break the window and take her out. That's what.
Hey, that glass went in my eye! Hey!
Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Are you fucking freezing? Break my window and vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
You're going to go to jail.
Can you contact the command post and
The jail
contact
staff
my
will
commander,
take care of that
please?
for you.
Sir, you need to do it now.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
For
do.
you, so stop.
You do work for me.
Go ahead.
Does a military commission place an individual above the local penal code, or does it impose a higher burden of obedience? In Tiger Point, Florida, a lieutenant colonel and periodontist finds herself at the center of this legal paradox. What began as a routine speeding stop for doing 63 in a 40-mile-per-hour zone rapidly devolved into a shattered window, a forceful extraction, and a felony arrest. This isn't just a failure of compliance, it's a masterclass in the ego trap. By the end of this analysis, you will understand how a fundamental misunderstanding of the Fourth Amendment and a misplaced reliance on military status can turn a civil infraction into a career-ending disaster. On the American highway, the badge beats the rank every time, and we are about to see exactly why.
Not at this moment. Good afternoon. Hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
The encounter initiates with a significant red flag, a partially rolled up window. This act isn't merely about privacy, it is a tactical signal of non-compliance, creating a physical and psychological barrier before a single word is exchanged. When the deputy establishes probable cause, clocking her at 63 in a 40-mile-per-hour zone, the legal obligation for the driver is absolute. In Florida, as in all 50 states, you must produce your license, registration, and insurance upon demand during a lawful stop.
No.
Why not?
Why are you detaining me?
I'm not detaining you, Colonel. I'm stopping you for doing 63 miles an hour in a 40-mile-an-hour zone. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Do you have proof of the speed?
Yes, I do. It's on my radar, ma'am.
Instead of compliance, we witness a strategic standoff. The driver's demand to see the radar evidence is a common roadside lawyer fallacy. Legally, an officer is not required to prove their case on the shoulder of a highway. Evidence is for the courtroom. Instructions are for the scene. By refusing to hand over documents, the driver effectively crosses the threshold from a civil traffic infraction into the territory of resisting an officer without violence.
May I see it?
No, you may not. 227. Send me another unit. I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration.
Can I see the radar, please?
No, ma'am. You're not entitled to see my radar.
You're incriminating me on something, and you're saying that I'm not allowed to see.
Colonel, I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
I would like to see your supervisor.
227. Can you send me a supervisor? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
When your supervisor comes, sir.
You also don't have a seatbelt on.
What is your badge number, sir?
1721. It's my permanent ID number.
Okay, your name?
Deputy McKenzie. It's right here, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm reaching in my car.
Go ahead. Do you have the registered owner's information? Ten-4, thank you.
Badge number again, please.
1721. 227. She's refusing to provide driver's license, insurance, and registration or roll her window down. Is there a reason why you sat at that green light for several seconds? Sitting there at the green light?
Pay close attention to the invocation of military rank. In her professional environment, her status commands automatic deference. However, on public roads, a lieutenant colonel is simply a citizen driver. The officer's polite use of her title is a courtesy, not a legal acknowledgement of immunity. This behavior, staring at a green light, is often what officers look for as early indicators of impairment. It's not just about the speed, it's about the judgment.
No, not really.
Didn't want to make your turn? With a green arrow, you didn't want to make your turn? No?
Is there something wrong about...
Sitting at a green light with a turn signal giving you the authority to pass through the intersection. Yeah, most people, when they get a green light, they drive.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm just curious. Hey, it's a lieutenant colonel. I had her doing 73 down there, and then in the 40 I had her doing 63. She sat at the green turn signal, and she's refusing to roll her window down or provide any documentation. And I figured, why not get you here before I rip her out of a car? Do you want to talk to her before I get her out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay. No, she didn't, but it's on the 14 from the registered vehicle.
Yes.
Are you gonna roll your window down all the way?
No, can you hear me?
Can't. Problem.
I don't know. Your officer stopped me, and he won't let me see the radar.
You stopped first. Well, if you want to see the radar, you have to step out of the vehicle so you can see it. It's not a handheld device.
I don't have to step out of the
You do by Florida law. So I'm not going to argue with you. What's going to happen is you're either going to roll the window down and cooperate from here on out,
What are you detaining me
or
for?
right now you're impeding an investigation
I'm investigating for what?
for a traffic violation.
What was the traffic violation?
I already
Speeding.
explained to you, ma'am. You're doing
Okay,
63 in a 40-mile-an-hour construction zone.
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail. It's
And
that
you're
simple.
going to break my window?
The situation reaches a critical turning point when she demands a military commander. This is a classic delay tactic, an attempt to replace civilian legal authority with a more favorable hierarchy. But law enforcement is not a negotiation. When the supervisor arrives and issues a clear binary choice, cooperate or face extraction, the legal dominoes are already set in motion. Her refusal to exit the vehicle isn't just an opinion. Under the Supreme Court's ruling in Pennsylvania v. Mimms, it is a direct violation of a lawful order designed for officer safety.
Vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
you're going to go to jail
For what?
for not cooperating.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So
Sir,
you can
I'm
either just
traveling on my way home.
you can either go along with it.
Yeah, it's
Making
locked.
this a lot more difficult than it has to be.
Sir, are you the supervisor?
Yes, I am.
I would like to see the captain.
Okay, well, the captain doesn't work right now, so I'm the best you're going to get.
Well, I think I would like to see the captain.
Good.
So I'm asking you one more time: are you going to cooperate, or are they going to have to take you to jail?
Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're not cooperating. It's just that simple.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, but you're refusing to provide all the documentation that you want, that you're supposed to provide?
I'm traveling
Okay.
on my way home.
Okay, but the United States Supreme Court says that we can have you step out of the vehicle during any traffic violation, during any investigation. So you are violating the law. So you can argue with me all you want. In the end, you're incorrect and you're wrong. Whatever you learned on the internet, book is all incorrect. It's not the truth. It's not right. The Florida Supreme Court has said, if I tell you to step out of the vehicle on a traffic violation, you will step out of the vehicle. So that's why I'm ordering you right now. You either cooperate and step out of the vehicle right now, or they're going to break your window, unlock your door, open the door, and pull you out of the car, and instead of just cooperating and getting a traffic violation, you're going to spend the night in jail. So are you prepared to spend the night in jail? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail?
To understand the gravity of this escalation, we must examine the legal framework governing roadside authority. The most critical pivot point here is the U.S. Supreme Court case of Pennsylvania v. Mimms. This 1977 ruling is unambiguous. An officer has the absolute authority to order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop. There is no requirement for additional suspicion. The stop itself is the legal justification. The legislative intent is officer safety, neutralizing the vehicle as a potential weapon or a site for an unobserved ambush.
Huh? Okay, break the window and take her out. That's what.
Hey, that glass went my eye! Hey!
Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Are you fucking Freemasons?
Put your hands.
Hey! You cut my face and you broke my glasses!
Can we have EMS come check her eyes out? Yep.
You need to send an ambulance!
I just requested it.
Glass is in my eye!
Yep. Just sit you up. On the glass. Just move her over to.
Watch my glasses, sir!
You gonna stay here and be nice?
Sir, my glasses, and you...
Right there. They're right behind you.
Okay. There's glass in my eye.
We've got an ambulance coming.
And there is no crime.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Ah.
You will be getting sued. And if there is injury and scarring to my eye, you're going to be sued, sir. And you're going to lose your job.
It's okay. Yep.
You did?
No, you
How
can't.
many of you are Brotherhood members?
What the hell is that?
You're Freemason?
Nope.
You sure?
Absolutely.
How about you?
Nope.
What's your name?
Deputy Casey.
Deputy Casey.
Yep. Ma'am, are you under the influence of anything?
No, sir, I am not.
Is there a specific reason why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
Yeah, unfortunately that's incorrect.
It is not correct.
That's what I just said.
Furthermore, the driver's insistence on conditional compliance, agreeing to move only after contacting her commander, directly triggers Florida's Resisting an Officer Without Violence statutes. Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop is a lawful seizure of the person. By withholding her license, she violated Florida Statute 322.15, which mandates that a driver must display their license upon demand.
Sir, there's glass in my eye.
Yeah, and we have an ambulance coming to check you out.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm almost positive she might be under the influence of something. There's no way. Shame, it's a nice car. Are you part of a booster club, or?
No, sir.
I want to make sure this goes with you so you don't lose any of it, okay? Is this all there was that was in there? This is a lot, most people don't roll around with this kind of cash.
Sorry, I can't even see what you're doing.
You're okay. I've got several stacks of money.
Yes.
Okay, we're inventorying your vehicle. Are you like a booster club president or?
No, sir. That's my cash.
Okay. All right. We're going to make sure this goes with you, okay? And it'll be accounted for, and the jail will give you a receipt for all of the cash, okay? Go on.
Yes.
Yes.
So you searched my bag and you searched my car.
No, we're inventorying your vehicle because it's getting towed.
No, because you're
As
searching
soon as
my
as soon
vehicle.
as your eye gets checked out, you're going in the back of my car and you're leaving. We are inventorying your vehicle before it gets towed.
Sir,
It will
it's
go to a tow
illegal
lot.
Seizure and
No.
search. It's
No.
illegal seizure and search.
Oh my God! I'm not taking this from you. I'm trying to make sure we have it all so that you get it
You are
back.
illegally searching my vehicle.
You know what? I'll just leave it in there.
It's not a search.
You just want me to leave it in there for the tow truck driver? Like a tip?
Sir, you had to go through a book bag to get the cash.
Yes, to do an inventory of the vehicle, see if there's any valuable possession.
She didn't want to get out. Put her under window. She's got some glass in her face. Just want to make sure she's good to go before we take her up to jail.
The final legal nail in the coffin is the implied consent law. In Florida, driving is a privilege, not a right. By accepting a driver's license, you have already legally agreed to submit to chemical or physical testing if arrested for suspected impairment. Her demand for representation before a urine test is, by law, a refusal. Because evidence of impairment metabolizes every minute, DUI investigations are time-sensitive. Courts have consistently ruled that a driver does not have a right to delay these tests to consult an attorney or a military commander. Her conditional refusal effectively ended her legal defense before it even began.
I mean, we can't see she's got glass in her eye.
Right. Well, like, you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to be following y'all to the hospital or whatever.
And may I have my phone, please? Just carefully, because I've got glass all over the face. Yeah, I don't want anyone to
We're going to count this money in front of you so you can be sure that we're not taking any of it. I don't want your money. I don't need
Well,
it.
sir, you've already violated search
Just stop.
because you're
Just stop.
searching and seizure without any cause.
3, 45,
You're actually sheriffs.
47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, that's 570.
May I have my
1,
phone
2,
to make
3,
contact, please?
573 in the first bundle.
Hospital or the jail?
We'll get it at the jail. We will go to the hospital to get
Where
checked
is
out.
my phone so that I may make contact with representation and with my commander?
4, 5, it's another 500. Another 500 right here in 50s.
May
20,
I have
40,
a phone,
60,
please, so that I may
81,
make contact with
Another
my commander?
120s.
And you're
50.
detaining me with no crime,
4,
and you are detaining me
55,
with
another
no
550s.
I'm not detaining you. I am an ambulance service providing you
20,
medical care for the glass in
40,
your eye.
60, 80, 100, another 120s, along with the receipts.
That can be handed to the jail when we get there.
Yep. There you go.
Are you going to go with them?
May I have my phone?
Stop it. Are
we
you going to go with
to
them?
Hospital?
You're going in the ambulance this way.
May I have my phone, please?
Perfect.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Nice of you to be here. She's going to get searched right quick.
Anything gonna poke me, stick me, anything?
Nothing should poke you, ma'am.
Anything illegal on you?
No.
Okay. Just have a shirt underneath here? Okay. Anybody want to give me a bag with a lot of stuff?
Thor, you got that plastic black bag with the glasses? Thank you.
We got it.
Oh, more cash.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's going straight from pocket into the plastic bag.
What is up with the exorbitant amount of cash?
May I have my phone, please? I need to call my commander and gain representation.
You know, you think
You'll
for
find out
Lieutenant
when you're at the
Colonel,
jail.
You'll be able to follow instructions and
I
understand
think
what
you're
we're telling
doing
you.
unconstitutional things.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know how to police. You're not a sheriff.
Okay, dentist.
Do you have
Stick
any
to
health,
dentistry.
do you have any health problems?
No.
Do you take any
She has
medications?
She has
No.
an inhaler in her bag. Is that something you use?
Where?
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
What is that?
What is this?
That is probably an instrument.
Yeah, Matt, you can see that?
No needles on you?
No, ma'am.
The systemic implications of this encounter are profound. If those charged with defending the Constitution feel entitled to circumvent the very laws they swore to uphold, the entire framework of civil authority begins to erode. This driver didn't just fail a traffic stop, she failed a test of civic responsibility. Consider the civilian test. Had an average citizen responded with such blatant defiance, the extraction would likely have occurred far sooner and with significantly less verbal warning. Ironically, her rank bought her extra minutes of patience, minutes she used to dig her own legal grave.
May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
You can make contact when you're at the jail. Yeah, I got you.
If you want to just go to jail and get checked out by medical there and make your phone calls, then you can do that.
That'd be the quickest way for you to get your phone.
Mackenzie, can you call my commander
Is that
on my
that silver
behalf?
thing? Was that silver thing?
I
Here,
can't.
hold on. I get the other thing.
Put it in?
Is
I
there
mean,
a
I
reason
can.
why
I can
you
call
can't-
command.
Yeah, you got gloves?
What are those?
Check that out. Oh, that's makeup.
That's makeup.
Okay. They're both makeup.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Right? Makeup?
Yes, sir.
The only number I remember over there is the law enforcement desk.
I
Can
only
you-
know staff duty. That's it.
Can you contact the command post and contact my commander, please? Can you contact the command post
The
and
jail
contact my
staff will
commander,
take care of that
please?
for you.
Sir, you need to do it now.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
For
do.
you, so stop.
You do work for me. You're a sheriff of the county, aren't you?
But she said that you weren't a sheriff.
I know.
The county just used it.
Do you have the ability to give me my phone so that I can make contact?
You still need lights.
I'm good right now.
Okay.
It's in the pockets. Challenge coin?
Oh, yeah.
Where
Sir,
would you guys
as
be
a
taking?
soldier, as an airman in the United States Air Force, you must contact my commander.
The jail staff will do that.
You must contact my
Stop
commander.
it. Where will you guys be taking her?
You work for the people of the
Stokely
United
Hospital.
States.
Okay. You're gonna want me to follow?
Yeah.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
You can use it at the
with
jail.
My commander and with representation.
At the jail.
Like punches.
May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
At the jail.
And I notice that your cameras are off. That's
It's
interesting.
running.
See, it's red.
Running?
And guess
Okay,
what?
good.
Red is on.
Back good. They record 24/7.
That's excellent.
24/7. They're
excellent.
recording.
May I have my phone
At the
to
jail.
contact my commander?
At the jail.
Do you have anything in your boots?
There's nothing in my boots.
Okay. What he was explaining is if you have anything else on you, when you get to the jail, it's an additional charge for introducing contraband. Do you understand?
So if you have something on your person, needle, knives,
Instruments.
I have my phone to contact my commander.
No, that is your work policy. That is not our policy. You will do it at the jail.
It is not lawful to detain an individual without being able to contact anybody.
So you're good?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Are you going to go with them? Okay. I will be following you guys.
Okay. We're gonna need the cuffs switched to the front when we get her in.
That's fine.
Can you walk this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The lesson for the public is clear. The roadside is a place for tactical compliance, not legal litigation. When an officer issues a lawful order like step out of the car, the time for debate has ended. By attempting to use her status as a shield, she inadvertently turned it into a target. For anyone finding themselves in a high-stress stop, remember, your strongest weapon isn't your title or your argument. It's your compliance and your eventual day in court. In this arena, your ego is your greatest liability. The driver, grade F. Her conduct was a masterclass in institutional arrogance and legal self-destruction. By doubling the speed limit in a construction zone, she endangered lives. By refusing basic compliance, she surrendered her freedom. She attempted to weaponize her military commission to bypass civilian law, failing to realize that her oath to the Constitution required her to be its first servant, not its master. From the moment she refused the Mimms order to the instant she triggered the implied consent penalty, she was the sole architect of her own arrest. The deputies, grade A. Santa Rosa County's finest demonstrated exceptional patience and tactical restraint. They correctly identified the legal threshold, invoked the proper case law, and provided the driver with multiple opportunities to de-escalate. Their use of force was not an act of aggression, but a necessary response to a suspect's active resistance. They maintained professional decorum in the face of blatant elitism, proving that in a constitutional republic, the badge represents a law that applies equally to everyone, regardless of the insignia on their shoulder.